So we are going to do writing skills. So in writing skills, we are going to learn about opinion writing. So we are going to learn about opinion writing. What is opinion writing? How will you write opinion writing paragraph? Opinion paragraph. So first you will write how you feel about something. You should write how you feel about something. Then you give a reason or supporting detail. You give a reason or supporting detail. Next, you write an example. Finally, you restate your opinion. Now, to remember these steps, it might be difficult, okay? So to remember this, it might be difficult. So how you feel about something or giving a reason. So just for this, we have a easy method. You all like Oreo, yes? I like Oreo biscuits. You all like Oreo biscuits? Yes. Do you know the spelling of Oreo? O R E and O. Oreo. So just remember, if it's opinion writing, you should remember Oreo. Opinion writing, Oreo. Why? Let us see. O. Opinion. So O is for opinion. Opinion. Tell how you feel about the topic. So if you have a topic for writing, then you should first tell the opinion how you feel about the topic. Next comes R. Reason. Give some reasons or information to support your opinion. You need to give some reasons or information to support your opinion. Next is E for examples. You should give details to support your opinion. You should give details to support your opinion. Finally, again opinion, that is nothing but restate your opinion with feeling. You're going to restate the same sentence which you have written here. You're just going to restate it, okay? So, O for opinion, R for reason, E for examples, and again O for opinion. So this is the Oreo for opinion writing. Remember opinion writing? Like that you should remember Oreo. Okay? Now you need to know few words to write opinion writing. They are called as the persuasive words. They are called as the persuasive words. They are like think, would, love, please, need, best, should, want, feel, wish, like, favorite, because, believe. These words will be useful for you in your opinion paragraph. Okay? So for example, I think my favorite teacher, or I think we need to be thankful for everyone. So like that. And then I love to eat ice cream. So these words will show your opinion. So we need to know these words if we are going to write an opinion paragraph. Next, what are the sentence starters that are necessary for opinion paragraphs? It can be I prefer. You can start the sentence with I prefer, or you can start it like I think this is best. I think monsters are silly. I prefer uniforms are necessary to be used in school. I feel cold today. So if you see, all these sentences show that you have a particular opinion. So that's why these sentences starters are important. These sentence starters are important. Next, I know. I believe. In my opinion, the best thing about everyone should. So these are the different sentence starters that will be necessary to write an opinion paragraph. So now, what's this? This is a monster. So write an opinion paragraph about monsters. Oreo. We need to write Oreo so that we will know what we should write in each sentence. So what is the first O stands for? Opinion. So we need to write a sentence that tells the opinion about monsters. I think. So sentence starter. I think monsters are silly. I think monsters are silly. Okay, that is your opening sentence for your opinion paragraph. Then, reason why you think monsters are silly? Because they have crazy arms. So the sentence is they have crazy arms. R stands for reason. So they have crazy arms. Example or another reason, they tell funny jokes. They tell funny jokes. Restate your opinion. I laugh when I see silly monsters. So this means approximately the same what this says. It means the same, but we have restated it like I laugh when I see silly monsters. So this is a very good opinion paragraph, but I have written it as separate sentences. Now we need to write it as a full paragraph. So it will be, I think monsters are silly. They have crazy arms. They tell funny jokes. I laugh when I see silly monsters. So if you can see, the paragraph is indented. Good. It is not starting where S is starting, but it is indented. That is an important thing to write a paragraph. Next, opinion paragraph. What is the sentence starter? I think. We have started with the sentence starter, I think. Now, every time in writing, we usually mark the starting sentence, the introduction sentence, the closure sentence, and the event. So what is the introduction sentence? It is, I think monsters are silly. This is the introduction sentence. Then, which is the closure sentence? We have to mark it in blue. I laugh when I see silly monsters. Oh, the introduction sentence is always the first sentence. The closure sentence is always the last sentence. So we have marked the last sentence in blue and the first sentence in green. Now we are going to mark the event, that is the other sentences which is in the middle, as red. So they have crazy arms. They tell funny jokes. Now, next we are going to see, again we are just going to revise what is Oreo. That is opinion, tell how you feel about the topic. Reason, give some reasons or information to support your opinion. Examples, give details to support your opinion. Opinion, restate your opinion with feeling. Knowing about an opinion writing will help you become a super writer. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.